Hi, I was not planning this video, but delivering my aunt's turntable, the courier has totally broken it. It came in pieces, and because I need a turntable, I decided to buy first of all one second hand, and that's the one I bought. Realistic lap 280 belt driven, and I have it for 2 weeks, and the mission of this turntable is ending today because I ordered a new turntable and it has to arrive this evening. So because this one is unpopular and for me was unknown, I would like to share some experience with it. In general, I decided to buy it because it looks very close to my Marantz that I have. The only difference is that my Marantz was a direct drive, and this one is belt driven. You can see here the pulley of the motor, and this plastic unit here is used for changing the speed. It's done mechanically. The electric motor is actually the electric motor is powered directly by the mains. It runs on 220 volts, and this is the cartridge from my previous turntable, the Marantz. You see, even the cartridge was broken, so unfortunately it came on pieces. What I don't like on this turntable is that when you start it, there is a significant noise that is coming from the motor, so and it cannot be avoided. I open it with attempts. At very beginning I decided that there is an induction of electromagnetic field towards the wiring of the cartridge, but actually the noise is coming from the motor, and the suspension of the motor is not enough to overcome it. At the very beginning, when I started to use the turntable, it was working relatively well, but now the left channel starts to disappear. I don't know, because it's a brand new stylus. I don't know, is it a problem of the stylus, or is it a kind of problem in the wiring somewhere? But the left channel became very weak and noisy, and anyway, this turntable is going off today, and I will put now one record just for a few seconds, because I don't know, does it have any rights protection or not, just for a few seconds in order to have an impression of the sound. I don't know I don't know how much. Sorry for that mess. I don't know how much you can hear the noise that is coming from the engine, from the motor. Sorry, and I made a record of one on one tape on the Nakamichi, and uh, even that the stylus is not on the record, just the turntable is rotating. This noise is noticeable on the record, and it's not coming from the cartridge, because when I switch it off, you see the noise disappears. And this is all for the realistic lap turntable.